Hello students, in this video we have to see examples in practice set 1.3, that is how to solve given simultaneous equations by using Cramer's rule or determinant method. Now first solve the following simultaneous equations using Cramer's rule. First example is 3x minus 4y is equal to 10, 4x plus 3y is equal to 15, 5. Now what is first step? We know that first step, like there are three steps. First step, write down given equations in the form ax plus by is equal to c. हे त्या फॉर्म मध्ये आहेतच. Write down given as it is. 3x minus 4y is equal to 10 and 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. Now what is next step? Now second step is find values of d, dx and dy. Therefore first we have to find determinant d. Now write down this as determinant of, in first column write down coefficients of x, that is 3, 4. Second column coefficients of y, that is minus 4, take distance, minus 4, 3 is equal to. Now we have to find the value of this determinant, that is 3 into 3. आता इथं आपण डायरेक्ट घेऊ, मल्टिप्लिकेशनच्या फॉर्म मध्ये न लिहिता डायरेक्ट मल्टिप्लाय करू. 3 into 3 is 9. Now minus into minus, minus 4 into minus is minus 16, minus of minus, that is plus 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. This is value of d. Now dx is equal to determinant of. आता बघा dx ची व्हॅल्यू कशी काढायची? डिटर्मिनंट d वरून व्हॅल्यू काढायची. फर्स्ट कॉलम च्या ऐवजी काय लिहायचं? फर्स्ट कॉलम आर कोएफिशिएंट्स ऑफ x. फर्स्ट कॉलम जे x चे कोएफिशिएंट आहे त्याऐवजी काय लिहायचे? कॉन्स्टंट टर्म, that is 10, 5. 10, 5. Second as it is, minus 4, 3 is equal to. Now 10 into 3, 30, minus 5 into minus 4 is minus 20, minus of minus, that is plus 20 is equal to 50. Then dy is equal to determinant of, अथवा determinant d वरून लिहायचं आहे. फर्स्ट कॉलम as it is, that is 3, 4. and second च्या ऐवजी म्हणजे y चे कोएफिशिएंट त्याऐवजी काय लिहायचं? कॉन्स्टंट टर्म. राइट डाउन 10, 5. 10, 5 is equal to. Now taking multiplication, 3 into 5 is 15 minus 4 into 10 is 40 is equal to. 15 minus 40, bigger term is minus 40 minus 15 is 25. This is second step, values of d, dx and dy. Now what is third step? By using Cramer's rule, find the values of x and y. Write down. Therefore by Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d. This is Cramer's rule. X is equal to dx upon d. Put value of dx. Dx is 50 upon d is 25. Determinant d. Now dividing by 25 2. Therefore value of x is 2. And similarly, we can find value of y. Y is equal to dy upon d is equal to. Now put value of dy. minus 25 divide by what is value of d? 25. Here 25 get cancelled, therefore value of y is -1. Therefore x is equal to 2, y is equal to -1 is the solution of given simultaneous equations. We find whether these are correct or not. X value here 2 into 3 6, -4 into -1, minus of minus plus 4, 6 plus 4 is 10. Both sides are equal, therefore our answer is correct. Write down number 2, second example. (4x plus 3y minus 4). 4x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. 6x is equal to 8 minus 5y. 8 minus 5y. Now what is first step? First step है, write down given equations in the form ax plus by is equal to c. Therefore write down this 4x plus 3y minus 4 becomes plus 4, and second 6x minus becomes plus 5y is equal to 8. This is first step. Given equations in the form ax plus by is equal to c. Now find the values of d, dx and dy. Therefore determinant d is equal to determinant d is equal to first column 4 6 coefficients of x. Second column coefficients of y 3 5 is equal to, taking cross multiplication, 4 into 5 is 20 minus 6 into 3 is 18 is equal to, now 20 minus 18, that is 2. This is value of d, determinant d. Now d suffix x, that is dx, is equal to determinant of, now instead of first column च्या ऐवजी काय घ्यायचं, 4 8 constant term, 4 8, second as it is 3 5 is equal to, taking cross multiplication, 4 into 5 is 20 minus 8 into 3 is 24 equal to, 20 minus 24 is minus 4. dy is equal to determinant of, now 4 6 as it is. Now for coefficients of second y, instead of coefficients of y, second column च्या ऐवजी काय लिहायचं, constant term 4 8 is equal to 4 into 8 32 minus 6 into 4 24 is equal to 32 minus 24 is 8. Now this is second step. Now third step, therefore by Cramer's rule, now find the value of x. X is equal to, formula is dx upon d. Now put value of dx. Dx is minus 4. Minus 4 upon d is 2. Now dividing by 2, minus 2. Therefore, value of x is minus 2. And write down y is equal to dy upon d is equal to, what is value of dy? 8. 8 upon value of d is 2. Dividing by 2, 4. Therefore, y is equal to 4. Therefore, write down answer. X is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to 4 is the solution of given simultaneous equations. बरोबर आहे का आन्सर पहा. x ची व्हॅल्यू -2 ठेवली. 4 into -2 -8. 3 into 4 12 -8 plus 12, that is plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled, that is 0. Therefore our answer is correct. Write down question number 3. Question number 3. 2x plus 3y is equal to 2. 2x plus 3y is equal to 2. X minus y upon 2. X minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. Now, first write down given equations in the form ax plus by is equal to c. त्या फॉर्म मध्ये आहेतच. 2x plus 3y is equal to 2 and x minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. Now second step, now we have to find values of d, dx and dy. Determinant d is equal to determinant of first column, that is coefficient of x 2 1, and second 3, and coefficient of this y is minus 1 upon 2 equal to. Now taking cross multiplication, 2 into minus 1 upon 2, 2 get cancelled, that is minus 1. 1 minus 3, that is minus 3, is equal to minus 4. This is value of d. Dx is equal to determinant of, now instead of first column च्या ऐवजी काय लिहायचं? 2 constant term, 2 1 upon 2, 2 1 upon 2, 3 minus 1 upon 2 as it is. दूसरा column as it is equal to, taking cross multiplication, 2 into minus 1 upon 2, 2 get cancelled, minus 1 minus 3 into 1 upon 2, that is 3 upon 2. Now here LCM is 2. इथं काही minus 2 minus 3, that is minus 5 upon 2. Minus 5 upon 2. dy is equal to determinant of, now first column as it is, 2 1. Instead of second, constant term 2 1 upon 2 is equal to, taking cross multiplication, 2 into 1 upon 2, 2 get cancelled, 1 minus 2 into 1 is 1, sorry 2, is equal to 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Therefore, by Cramer's rule, we have to find values of x and y. Write down formula. X is equal to dx upon d is equal to, value of dx is minus 5 upon 2 divided by value of d is minus 4. Here minus minus get cancelled, that is 4 upon 1. We can write this as 5 upon 2 into, taking reciprocal of this, 1 upon 4 is equal to 5 upon 8. 2 into 4 is 8. Therefore, value of x is 5 upon 8. And y is equal to dy upon d is equal to, dy is minus 1 divided by d is minus 4. Minus minus get cancelled, therefore y is equal to 1 upon 4. Therefore, write down answer. Therefore, x is equal to 5 upon 8, y is equal to 1 upon 4 is the solution of given simultaneous equations. Of given simultaneous equations. We find whether this is correct or not. X value 5 upon 8 only, 2 into 5 upon 8, that is 10 upon 8, plus 3 into 1 upon 4, that is 3 upon 4. LCM Kai 8, 10 plus dividing by 4, 2 into 3 6, 16 upon 8, that is 2. म्हणजे दोन्ही बाजू इक्वल येतात. Therefore, our answer is correct. Thank you.